In this video, I'll be showing you how you can clone uh, your app. All right, go to your settings, click on settings, scroll down to special function right here. You click on special function, then scroll down to where you have app twin. Okay, these are the app that you can twin. Turn on You turn this on to twin the app, to double the app. All right, let me turn on the Instagram. Okay, we have successfully uh, cloned Instagram and WhatsApp. Let me show you how it will look like. You can see it right here. This is the app that we have cloned. So this is a simple step to clone an app. Thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe because I upload a valuable content on weekly basis. Subscribe, like, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I upload a valuable content like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, you can let me know in the comment section if you have any question or if there is anything you want me to teach you or to do video about. Okay, feel free to let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you.